Here's a full course for passing funded challenges that accommodates your attention span. I've helped 85 traders pass their funded accounts and get payouts, so trust me when I say this. You're not ready, and I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm trying to save you money. Here's what every beginner gets wrong. You think passing a funded account will make you profitable. But bro, it's the other way around. You need to be profitable first, then pass the account. Simple concept, hard to accept. Look, trading is genuinely simple. Find a setup, manage your risk, execute. That's it. But it's not easy because you're fighting yourself the entire time. So here's the simple technique that helped all 85 of those traders. Risk half your daily drawdown. That's it. If they give you 5%, you risk 2.5% max per day. Most people blow accounts because they go full degen on day one. And here's the plot twist that's gonna piss you off. If you can't make 10% in 3 months on a demo account, you have zero business buying a funded account. End of story. So stop gambling. Prove it to yourself first. Then the funded account becomes stupidly easy.